2 years and 3 surges later, the island continues to fight against COVID. Territorial epidemiologist Dr. Ann Pobutsky broke down public health's findings in Guam's battle against COVID for the past 2 years, beginning with the surges.
You can basically see our 3 surges over the past 2 years. It starts there small, and then we see alpha, and then we see our nice honeymoon phase after alpha, and then delta hits us back in August, September, continues in through November, and the last huge spike in cases, that is Omicron. Omicron hit us hard with cases.
As compared to the 2 previous surges, Omicron caused a lot more COVID cases in the community, but far less hospitalizations and ICU admissions. There was also a difference in the age groups that were catching the virus early on in the pandemic.
It started with the leading group was those age 40 to 59, and then it switched over to the 18 to 39 group.
Until recently, it was the 18 to 39 group with the high case count, but DPHSS is now seeing a lot of the elderly contracting the virus. She detailed what else public health found out in the 2-year report.
We did see an increase in female cases from 2020 to 2022 and a decrease in male cases, but we did see the opposite trend among the deaths, with males becoming an increasing proportion of the deaths from 2020 all the way through 2021 and 2022.
And during the Omicron surge, it was the elderly population who were the most affected.
The majority of deaths occurred in those over 60 years of age. And there has been one of the key findings was we saw this, but we didn't have the numbers to back it up, but there was a definite increase in the deaths among the old people, those 80 plus in 2022 during Omicron.
Public health continues to make a plea to the island's elders to take extra precautions to remain safe and COVID-free. After taking a look back at the previous surges, Dr. Pobutsky says the island is in good shape in terms of vaccination and COVID preparedness, but should continue to remain vigilant should another surge arise. Daniel Perez reporting for KUAM News.